Welcome once again to one more episode on career growth. We've been discussing a lot about careers and how to select a career, how to select a college. But I think now let's get into the real-time careers. What say Mugdha?
Suchitra.
Okay, we've been always talking about that change is the only constant. But there's one thing that hasn't changed is our approach to certain careers, our perspective to certain careers, especially the fields of arts. I'm sure a lot of you are thinking arts has no option, no careers, and a lot of myths regarding it. So why don't we actually bust these myths today? So let's begin with the basic. Whenever we've gone for a session, जब भी हमने students से interact किया है और उन्होंने उनको पूछा है कि 10th के बाद कौन सा career लेना है, so generally answers
The marks बहुत अच्छे हैं, तो definitely it's science.
और उससे थोड़े कम मिले तो
Commerce,
और उससे कम
arts, क्योंकि दूसरा कोई choice ही नहीं है.
Are you also the one who has actually decided a career like this? I hope not. And if you are in 10th or if you're planning to choose a career, listen to this very, very carefully. Let's begin with the beginning. Actually, what do you mean by arts?
Arts is nothing but reading, writing, comprehending, analysis. In short, बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा reading करना है, बहुत ज़्यादा books पढ़ने हैं अलग-अलग authors के to make your concepts very strong.
Wow, बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ाई यानी आर्ट्स है, which simply means कि ऐसा होता है, हमने देखा है colleges में, because girls are supposed to be पढ़ाकूस, a lot of girls end up taking arts. Is that true?
Traditionally, this has been seen, but yes, now the trend is changing and certain subjects the boys are showing keen interest and the ratio is increasing day by day.
Okay, now since we are on the subject of subject, a lot of students take up arts की maths से छुटकारा मिल जाए, and they think कि चलो maths नहीं पढ़ना है तो हम arts ले लेते हैं. How true is that?
सही बात है सुचित्रा, and एकदम valid question है ये कि math, those students who really run away from math, arts is an option, but ऐसे कुछ नहीं है. Certain specializations में maths तो बहुत important criteria है, तो basic knowledge तो strong होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि maths नहीं पढ़ना, इसके लिए अगर आप arts ले रहे हो तो you need to change your concepts.
Which means fields like economist also, I think
Yes.
has a lot of math, psychology as well, statistics बहुत ज़रूरी है.
Correct.
So I think students को ये भी ध्यान में रखना है कि subjects like or careers like economist या psychologist also require you to study math. Now since we are on the career part of it, is teaching the only option?
That's been considered, but that's not the only fact. You must have heard about civil services. Most of the students who plan to pursue their civil services in future, their main base, they prefer selecting arts because they want to make their base strong. So definitely civil services है, government jobs है, काफ़ी सारे private organizations हैं. Depending on the specialization chosen at the master's level, आपके जॉब एवेन्यूज ओपन हो जाते हैं, करियर प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स खुल जाते हैं आपके लिए. तो फ्यूचर के बारे में ज़्यादा टेंशन ना ले बिकॉज ऑप्शंस तो बहुत है. सिर्फ अभी ध्यान दीजिए दैट यू फोकस मोर ऑन कॉन्सेप्चुअल लर्निंग, यू मेक योर सब्जेक्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड जस्ट focus that you just when you enter the employment sector you are able to apply and get a better prospect for yourself.
So that's so true. Actually, arts में इतने सारे options हैं, employment opportunities है. Since we are on that point, what are the skills that actually an art student gets, imbibes while they're studying?
First of all, lots of patience, more of communication skills because you study subjects like languages, literature. So definitely communication skills, decision making skills because arts में ऐसा कोई concrete answer आपको कोई भी textbook में नहीं मिलेगा. For that you have to refer to 3-4 authors, make your own answers. So you have to be very good when it comes to decision making and analysis of course. And definitely interpersonal skills because there are certain specializations जहाँ पे interpersonal skills बहुत मायने रखते हैं.
Basically, when we're talking about employability, art students के पास मेरे ख्याल से what you're trying to say is they have a lot of transferable skills and these
Correct.
skills can be used in wide variety of careers.
Absolutely.
So when we're talking about कि wide variety of careers है, इतने सारे subjects हैं, specializations है, why is it still the last option?
The fact is, काफी सारे parents and students are just not aware कि क्या ऑप्शंस हैं आगे, अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इवन स्पेशलाइजेशन एंड द जॉब वाइज। तो जब तक ये क्लैरिटी उन तक नहीं पहुंचती है, आई थिंक ये मिथ वैसे ही रहने वाला है कि देयर इज नो स्कोप इन आर्ट्स।
When we are also talking about subjects, it always says कि सिर्फ BA करके कुछ होगा नहीं, कोई फायदा नहीं होगा, तो हमें MA तक पढ़ाई करनी है, मास्टर्स तक पढ़ाई करनी है। So will that make really sense?
Yes, सुचित्रा, बहुत डिफरेंस होता है when you actually do your specialization, that comes at the master's level, जहाँ पे you select your core specialization. So जो आपका core specialization होता है उसी के बेसिस पे आपका job aspects या work profile define करेगा। So it's very important कि आज के तारीख में if you want to grow in life, if you want to become successful, it's very essential to at least have master's degree with you.
Wow, that was really informative. So we know we've busted the myths, we know the basics, we know the subjects. So finally, how should we end this session?
So the only suggestion would be, if you really have that passion for reading, writing, then arts is definitely a career option for you.
I think more than reading, writing, also thinking creatively, analysis,
Absolutely.
and subject. If you have an academic orientation, and to think differently, because I think arts is a field which gives you that opportunity to थोड़ा हटके सोचो. So I think here we would like to sign off. Until we meet next, subscribe. See you.
Bye.